Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm G, and tonight, well today, whenever you're watching, we are taking a trip. A virtual tour, if you will, to the one, the only, Las Vegas, Nevada. That's right, we're heading to the entertainment capital of the world. Get ready, because we are going to explore everything this incredible city has to offer. I'm talking about the brightest lights, the biggest shows, the most unbelievable sights. It's gonna be great. We've packed this video with all the best places to visit, and the absolute top activities for anyone visiting Sin City. Think of me as your personal tour guide, but, you know, without the awkward small talk or the weird fanny pack. Alright, first up, you can't talk about Vegas without talking about the main event, the big kahuna, the heart of it all, the Las Vegas Strip. It's not just a street, it's an experience. It's like the whole world decided to have a block party and everyone showed up. You've got these massive, world-famous casinos and hotels all trying to outdo each other. The lights, the sounds, the energy, it's just electric. You have to see the landmarks. I mean, these are the things you see in movies. You've got the Bellagio fountains, which are just, wow. They shoot water hundreds of feet in the air, all choreographed to music. It's beautiful, it's dramatic, it's free. Then right across the street, you can pretend you're in France at the Paris Las Vegas with its giant replica of the Eiffel Tower. I tried to speak French to a blackjack dealer there. It didn't go well. He was from Ohio. But the view from the top? Magnifique. Now if the Strip is the glitzy, glamorous supermodel, then Fremont Street is its cool older brother who plays in a rock band. This is downtown Vegas, the original Vegas. It's a 5-block pedestrian mall, and it is a party 24/7. The main attraction here is the Viva Vision canopy. It's the world's largest video screen, stretching over the entire street. Every night they have these incredible free light shows with music from bands like The Killers or Imagine Dragons. And if you're feeling brave, you have to check out the Slotzilla zip line. You can literally fly over the crowds like a superhero. They have a lower zip line and a higher zoom line where you fly horizontally. It's a total adrenaline rush. Okay, let's head back to the Strip for a second because there's something inside the Bellagio that you just have to see to believe. Forget the casino for a minute and walk into the main lobby. Just past the front desk, you'll find the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. And let me tell you, this is not your grandma's garden. This is a 14,000 square foot floral fantasy land that changes with the seasons. A team of over 100 horticulturalists transforms this space 5 times a year. The scale of it is just mind-blowing. One season you might see giant, whimsical creatures made entirely of flowers and plants. And the next, it's a stunning winter wonderland with a massive holiday tree. The detail is incredible. Get your passports ready because our next stop is taking us all the way to Italy. Sort of. We're going to the Venetian. This place is unbelievable. From the moment you walk in, you feel like you've been transported to Venice. They have recreated everything, and I mean everything. You've got replicas of St. Mark's Square, the Rialto Bridge, and Doge's Palace. The ceilings are painted to look like a perfect blue sky with fluffy white clouds, so it feels like you're perpetually outdoors. The main attraction here, of course, is the Grand Canal. Yes, they built a canal inside and outside the hotel, and you can take a ride on an authentic Venetian gondola. You float down the canal under bridges, past shops and cafes, all while your gondolier sings to you in Italian. If you want the absolute best views of the Las Vegas skyline, this next one is for you. We're heading to the Link Promenade to ride the high roller observation wheel. For a while, this was the tallest Ferris wheel in the world, and it is gigantic. It stands at 550 feet tall, and it gives you a breathtaking 360-degree view of the entire Las Vegas Valley. You can see the whole Strip downtown, the mountains in the distance, everything. The ride itself is super smooth and slow. It takes about 30 minutes to complete one full rotation, so you have plenty of time to take it all in and snap some incredible photos. The cabins, or pods, are spacious and air-conditioned. Alright, so the high roller was amazing, right? But what if you want your stunning views served with a side of sheer terror? Well then, my friend, you need to go to the Strat. Formerly the Stratosphere, this iconic needle-like tower stands at 1,149 feet. But people don't just come here for the view, they come for the thrill rides. On top of this 1,000-foot tower, they have put some of the scariest rides on the planet. First, there's Big Shot, which shoots you straight up the tower's mast at 45 miles per hour. Then there's Insanity, which is a giant mechanical arm that dangles you over the edge of the tower and spins you around. And for the ultimate daredevils, there's the Sky Jump. This is not a ride, this is a controlled freefall like a vertical zip line, where you literally jump off the side of the building from 829 feet up. I did not do this one. I was busy, filming. For you guys. Let's step into the world of ancient Rome, Vegas style. We're going to one of the most legendary spots on the Strip, Caesar's Palace. This place is an institution. It's been here since the 60s and it just screams classic Vegas luxury. The whole theme is over-the-top Roman opulence. We're talking giant statues, fountains everywhere, columns and mosaics. You half expect to see a chariot race break out in the lobby. It's grand, it's iconic, and you feel like an emperor just walking through it. It's attached to the Forum Shops, which is one of the most incredible shopping malls you will ever see. Don't miss the Fall of Atlanta show inside the Forum Shops. It's this animatronic show with fire, water, and giant talking statues that tells the story of the mythical city. Okay, get ready for something completely different. This is not your typical casino or show. This is Area 15, and it's like stepping into the future or another dimension. Located just off the Strip, it's this massive, mysterious black building that bills itself as an immersive bazaar. The main event at Area 15, the thing you absolutely have to do, is Meow Wolf's Omega Mart. How do I even explain this? On the surface it looks like a supermarket, but you quickly realize something is very, very wrong. You can buy products like whale song deodorant or tattooed chicken, but then, you might open a refrigerator door and find a secret portal that leads to a network of psychedelic interactive worlds. It's part art installation, part escape room, part surrealist fever dream. You can spend hours in Omega Mart following the bizarre storyline or just exploring the hidden rooms and passageways. Sometimes you need a little break from the neon jungle, and just a 45-minute drive from Las Vegas is one of the greatest engineering marvels of the 20th century, the Hoover Dam. This thing is awe-inspiring. Standing on top of it, and looking down at the massive concrete wall holding back the power of the Colorado River is just incredible. It was built during the Great Depression, and the sheer scale and ambition of the project are hard to comprehend until you see it in person. But I highly recommend taking one of the guided tours. They'll take you deep inside the dam, down these massive elevators, to see the giant generators and passageways within the concrete. You learn all about the history of its construction and the incredible challenges they faced. If you want to see the natural beauty of the Mojave Desert, you don't have to go far. Just about 30 minutes west of the Strip is the Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area, and it is stunning. The moment you enter the park, you're surrounded by these massive, vibrant red Aztec sandstone peaks and cliffs that jut out of the desert floor. It feels like you're on another planet. The contrast between the red rocks and the bright blue sky is just breathtaking. Here's a pro tip: go for sunrise or sunset. The way the light hits the rocks during the golden hour is pure magic. The colors become so rich and saturated it's a photographer's dream. It's such a peaceful and majestic place, and a perfect natural escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Las Vegas is the entertainment capital of the world for a reason. The quality and variety of shows here are just off the charts. You really can't leave Vegas without seeing at least one. The undisputed kings of the Vegas show scene are Cirque du Soleil. They have multiple shows running, each with its own unique theme. At the Bellagio is this incredible aquatic masterpiece. At the MGM Grand is an epic martial arts saga, with a stage that moves in impossible ways. But it's not just Cirque. You've got legendary magicians like David Copperfield, who is still blowing minds every single night. You have the Blue Man Group, which is this crazy mix of music, comedy, and paint. And then there are the residencies. The biggest stars in music come to Vegas for extended runs. Come on, you can't go to Las Vegas and not at least try your luck a little bit, right? It's what the city was built on. Walking into one of the grand casinos for the first time is a rite of passage. The sounds of slot machines ringing, the cheers from a craps table, the intense silence at a poker game, it's a whole world unto itself. You don't have to be a high roller to have fun. You can play penny slots or sit down at a $5 blackjack table. Here's a pro tip that's classic Vegas. If you're actively playing at a slot machine or a table game, the cocktail waitresses will bring you free drinks. Yes, free. You just have to tip them. It's one of the perks of gambling in Vegas. Las Vegas has become one of the best food cities in the world. Seriously, it's kind of wild. Nearly every celebrity chef you can think of has a restaurant here. It's a foodie's dream come true. If you're a fan of his show, you absolutely have to try Gordon Ramsay Hell's Kitchen at Caesar's Palace. It looks just like the set, and honestly, the food is fantastic. Get the beef Wellington. But, Vegas dining isn't just about fancy, expensive meals. The city perfected the all-you-can-eat buffet, and honestly, they are on another level here. The Bacchanal Buffet at Caesar's Palace is legendary, with hundreds of items from all over the world. When the sun goes down, a different side of Vegas comes to life. The nightlife here is legendary, from chic cocktail lounges to massive, thumping nightclubs. If you want to start the night with a sophisticated drink and an incredible view, you have to check out a rooftop bar. Sky Bar at the Waldorf Astoria offers stunning panoramic views of the Strip from the 23rd floor. It's classy, it's romantic, and the cocktails are amazing. For something truly unique, you have to go to the Chandelier Bar at the Cosmopolitan. It's a multi-story bar that is literally inside a giant, shimmering chandelier. It's one of the most beautiful and Instagrammable bars you will ever see. Get your credit cards ready, because the shopping in Las Vegas is on another level. It's not just about picking up a few souvenirs. It's a full-blown activity. If you're looking to splurge on some serious designer goods, you need to head to the shops at Crystals, located at Aria. This place is an architectural masterpiece filled with the biggest names in fashion: Tom Ford, Gucci, Prada. It's where the high rollers shop. But hey, maybe you're looking for a deal. I get it. Vegas has you covered there too. Just a short drive or bus ride from the Strip are the Las Vegas North Premium Outlets. This is a huge outdoor mall with over 175 stores, offering designer brands at a fraction of the price. So, what's one of the first things you think of when you think of Las Vegas? Weddings, spontaneous, crazy, maybe even Elvis-themed weddings. The city is famous for its wedding chapels, and getting married here is a huge part of the city's culture. There are so many famous chapels to choose from. A little white wedding chapel is iconic. It has a drive-through tunnel of love, and it's where celebrities like Frank Sinatra and Britney Spears have tied the knot. You can have a traditional ceremony, or you can go full Vegas and have an Elvis impersonator walk you down the aisle and sing you a few songs. It's hilarious and, honestly, surprisingly sweet. You can't help but smile. The whole industry is a spectacle. It's campy, it's fun, and it's uniquely Las Vegas. So whether you're saying I do or just I do believe I'll watch, it's a sight to behold. When you need a break from the sun and the slot machines, Vegas has some surprisingly fantastic and unique museums. These aren't your typical stuffy art museums. They are as entertaining and over-the-top as the city itself. First up, for any history or true crime fans, you have to visit the Mob Museum. Officially the National Museum of Organized Crime and Law Enforcement, it's located in a historic former federal courthouse downtown. It tells the story of the mob in America and its deep ties to the founding of Las Vegas. Another must-see, especially at night, is the Neon Museum. This is where old Vegas signs go to retire. It's an outdoor lot, or boneyard, filled with hundreds of iconic, beautiful neon signs from old casinos and businesses. It's a stunningly beautiful and nostalgic walk through the city's history. If you're an adrenaline junkie, Las Vegas is an amazing home base for all sorts of high-octane adventures. The surrounding Mojave Desert is a massive playground just waiting to be explored. One of the most popular activities is taking an ATV or dune buggy tour. You get to gear up, hop on your own vehicle, and race through the desert sand dunes and trails. It's dusty, it's loud, and it is an absolute blast. Want to take your adventure to the skies? Helicopter tours are a huge deal here. You can take a short flight at night for a spectacular view of the Strip all lit up. Or you can go for a longer tour that flies you out over the Hoover Dam and into the Grand Canyon. We've already talked about the Hoover Dam and Red Rock Canyon, but if you have an extra day and a rental car, there are even more incredible natural wonders within driving distance of Las Vegas. The big one, of course, is the Grand Canyon. While the more famous South Rim is a bit far for a day trip, the Grand Canyon West Rim is only about a 2.5-hour drive. The Skywalk is a glass, horseshoe-shaped bridge that extends 70 feet out over the canyon floor. You can look straight down, 4,000 feet to the bottom. Another fantastic option, and a personal favorite of mine, is the Valley of Fire State Park. It's only about an hour from Vegas, and it is spectacular. It gets its name from the brilliant red sandstone formations that look like they're on fire when the sun hits them just right. Did you even go to Vegas if you didn't post the pictures to prove it? This city is incredibly photogenic, and there are some iconic spots where you just have to get a photo. The #1 most essential photo op is at the Welcome to Fabulous Las Vegas sign. It's located on the south end of the Strip. There's usually a line, but it's worth it. It's the classic must-have Vegas picture. For something a little more artistic and colorful, you have to visit the 7 Magic Mountains. It's about a 20-minute drive south of the Strip, out in the middle of the desert. It's a public art installation of 7 giant towers of brightly colored, stacked boulders. And that's a wrap. Wow, what a trip. From the dazzling lights of the Strip to the natural beauty of the desert, Las Vegas truly has something for everyone. We covered a lot today, 20 incredible experiences that you just can't miss. I hope this guide helps you plan your own amazing adventure to this one-of-a-kind city. Whether you're hitting the casinos, seeing a world-class show, or eating at an incredible restaurant, you're going to have the time of your life. Just remember to wear comfortable shoes. If you had fun and found this video helpful, you know what to do. Please give it a big thumbs up, share it with a friend who's planning a Vegas trip, and most importantly, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future adventures. Oh, and ring that little notification bell too. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.